So we're back at the Dyna here. We're gonna do a little fender chopping. So you can see right here, this is the bar, obviously. This little guy, very simple to make. I didn't make this, Stunthouse did. Thank you, Nick. But yep, the only thing I do is kind of trace it out, lay this thing on the table, trace it out. That's the way I did it. And so this is gonna be the top of it, and this thing's just gonna sit, the fender's gonna sit on top of this pretty much. So we're gonna start cutting right here along this line, and then we start trimming it back to fit on this good. So there we go. Gonna wiggle that guy off there. Kind of wasn't paying attention. Barely nicked it a little past there, but hey, we'll live. And I kind of changed my mind at the last second. I want to make it. Let me get this off. There we go. So at the last second, I kind of changed my mind on this guy. So I kind of want this to come straight down like so. So I'm going to just cut straight up to the bar. I don't know. I'll probably have to round it off because that kind of looks bad. But I was just playing with the idea because I can always cut it off. So. Okay, after test fitting, and we're gonna be chopping it off all the way now. I thought this would look cooler, but this little bitty lip right here on these fenders, you see it right there, is making this thing be all kinds of goofy. So I'm probably just have to come up to this line right here, cut back to here, and then down. So that way it makes it past there. So the line ends right here, so I'll probably come to here. And we'll cut that off. Technically, I should come right here and cut it, but I'm just trying to ease into it. So I'm trying to keep some stuff, I like to keep a little bit of paint, but if I have to, I'm gonna come right up to the top. So here's the back view. You can see you got a couple bolts kind of holding it when you come up. Here's that little ridge right there on both sides. So we're gonna shave that down some more. All right, so it might be louder. Well, it's smoky, I turned the fan on. But the more and more I look at it, I guess I'm gonna have to go straight up to that top line that I marked earlier, because it's just, just always hitting that. So I'm probably just gonna have to, I got a nice baseline right here, so I'm just gonna come straight off this on both sides and just bring it straight on up. It's probably gonna be the way that he meant it to be. So just trial and error. I was hoping to have like a little flat blade or something, but this looks good. There we are, getting a little closer by closer. Not quite there yet. Bolt holes, yeah, it's hard to see, but yeah, they're a little off. So just have to shave a little bit more and shave, and dial this in. All right, and here we are. After I shaved it down a bunch of times and took a little bit, if I would just went off my first cuts originally like I had, I'd probably be done. But I just cut it. I put this on the outside and I cut it up to there. That little right there is what keeps this thing from going flush like you wanted. So now we're good. I'll probably radius this a little bit more, but she's looking good. I still got the titanium coming, because this right here will be over the titanium. It should be sitting nice and flush. Then of course my license plate holes, and these are my turn signals. It's this side needs just a tad bit more shaving. Like I can get it in there and it's holding, but it's just a tad off. Like I can get it in there though. But she's looking good. So you can see what the results looks like after a bunch of cutting and shaving down. There she is.